Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
Sign in to GitHub and click the New button to create a repository. Name the project and optionally add a short description. Choose public or private depending on your sharing needs. Check Initialize with a README to create the first file automatically. Choose a license if you want specific reuse terms right away. Click Create Repository and then click the green code button to copy the repository URL for local linking. Open a terminal in your project folder and run Git in it to start version control. Stage your files with git add, and make the first commit with git commit m initial commit. Add the remote by running git remote add origin and paste the copied repository URL. Confirm your branch name, main or master, and then push using git push uorigin main to upload your code to GitHub. Verify the files appear on the repository page online. Open GitHub Desktop and sign in with your GitHub account to simplify pushing code. Drag project files into the app, write a clear commit message, and click Commit to Master or Main. Click Publish Repository in the app to create the remote and push your commits automatically. Alternatively, use the GitHub website, open your repository, and choose Add File, then Upload Files. Drag files, write a commit message in the browser, and click Commit Changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.